Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not installed. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not installed, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will click. After that, in this list of app info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click Storage. Here in this page, you will click Clear Cache, and in the end, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next